Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Camry headlight bulb. This is a straightforward maintenance task you can easily do yourself. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle is off and cooled down. You will need a few basic items: a new headlight bulb, protective gloves, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver or a 10mm socket. Having the right tools makes the job much smoother. First, open your car's hood to gain access to the headlight assembly. You will see the back of the headlight unit. Identify the bulb you need to replace, whether it's the low beam, high beam, or turn signal. Gently press the retaining tab on the electrical connector and pull it straight off the bulb. This disconnects the power, ensuring safety during the replacement. Now, with the electrical connector detached, grasp the base of the old bulb. Turn it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise until it loosens, then carefully pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands. Oils can shorten its lifespan. Align the new bulb's tabs with the housing slots, push it in, and turn it clockwise to lock it securely into place. Once the new bulb is securely in place, reattach the electrical harness until you hear a click, ensuring a solid connection. Before closing everything up, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. It is often recommended to replace bulbs in pairs for consistent illumination. Finally, close your hood, and you are all set with your new, bright headlight.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.